Grimm Trails is the haunt of fairy tales, myths, and legends. But as we'll soon find out, some legends never die. The brothers Grimm have some fresh stories for their collection this year. We're going to take you through the trail with us tonight and hope we don't get eaten alive. Without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh God.
Come here. Turn around. I've got something special for you.
Oh no. Oh, I don't like that.
Oh, no, I just found a few friends out
No,
in the woods.
no.
Yeah, you can put out your hand.
No. What?
Put out your hand.
What?
This is Fester.
No, we don't need a Fester.
Okay, fine. Here's a Gloria.
No.
Here's a Reba.
Oh God, Reba.
And then here's the rest of them.
Oh my God.
Watch your step. We want the creatures to have the thrill of the chase. Follow me down here, please. All right. Well, y'all know the myths. Y'all know the legends.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn to be a part of the story. Before you
God.
go, I have a gift for you.
Oh no.
Put your hand out.
No.
Wish you the best of luck.
Oh, what,
Don't
what did
eat
you
those.
just
Yeah, Trevor, this one looks totally safe.
No, it wasn't!
eat? Oh God. It's behind me, Trevor. Oh no. I think that has fangs.
No, it's fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
No. Where'd they go?
They gone.
Where did he go?
No, they're back here.
Behind Sam. Oh shoot, what is
my,
that?
That's a big one.
That is a big furry
He's a little bit older, I
thing.
think.
A little bit older,
He's been around a little longer.
maybe a little bit
Got
meaner.
some great curly ones.
Oh, God.
They're what? What is that?
What the heck?
What's it?
I think that's a witch or something. Pendle Forest, England, 1612.
Okay, that was a good date. What happened in 1612?
I'm not really sure. I think the witches. Whoa. Did she sneak around?
What is that? What is that?
I don't know. What is that? What is that?
Ah!
Another witch.
Trevor, you made her mad.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get through here.
I don't know. It was.
Get the coyote!
You skinned it?
Scared us too.
She skinned it. It is now naked.
Oh no. I guess there's worse places to be naked. What's that?
I don't know. It sounds like something's moving. What is it? Knock. Always knock. Okay.
The door's open.
The
That
door
means
is open.
They must want us to come in.
Hello.
You see all my friends?
Yeah,
You
the
see all
dolls.
of them?
The dolls.
Well, I need them to come to life, just like me.
Okay.
That one's name is Nora.
Oh,
I
no.
picked her out.
That's not good.
What do you need for Nora to come alive?
Your soul.
Well.
Oh, okay. All right.
That might be a little tall.
Oh,
I'm gonna keep my soul.
These souls
We don't have that many
to come to
souls.
life,
No.
just like me.
The door's locked.
Oh, is it?
That means you don't get out.
Oh gosh. Well,
I guess we have to give him a soul.
you know, I think there's a girl named Nora in the next group that has a really nice soul.
No.
For you.
I want this, Nora.
No.
Yes, I picked her out.
I mean, so far we've been all alone out here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
right.
haven't seen anybody.
Like that. Whoa! You just go. Oh my God! Why are you up there? Get back under your bridge.
Trevor, he probably don't want you to go across there.
You don't want me to go across it? Well, where am I supposed to go?
I don't
Can't go under the
know.
bridge?
But he's coming
Yep,
back.
Yep, see, told you.
No, well, I'm sorry. We have to take your bridge. Yep.
Somebody tell a riddle.
It's just you tell it a riddle.
You're too little for my riddles.
Oh.
Long cretins!
Okay.
We're
My
going.
friend!
We're going.
The freaking riddle idea was not good.
I tried. Okay. All right. Hello.
Knock, knock.
We're here.
I know whether you stole it from me. What'd you do with my shadow?
Shadow?
I know whether you took it from me. It's gone. If you don't bring it back, you're stuck with me for eternity. You hear me?
Okay, we're
So
gonna
bring
find it.
Back now.
We're going to look for it.
Hey, it's over here.
It's over here.
It's over here. We found it.
Oh, there's a shadow. Oh no! You gotta go back over there. Yeah. Ah! Why is your shadow so mean?
Yeah.
You need to give it some candy or something.
Give it some candy, something.
Yeah.
What kind of shadow sticks
Why
around
is
in
it
the
so
light?
mad?
kind of
I
steep
don't
ramp.
know. It's a really mean one.
Hello.
Who goes there?
Trevor.
Nora
Let
does.
me see your eyes, boy. You're not associated with that demon Peter Pan,
No.
are you?
No,
Sure
he's
not.
that guy back there.
Yeah. He lost
And
his
his shadow. His shadow's real mean.
I keep blasting with cannon fire.
Cannon fire.
You may come aboard.
That's how you do it.
Maybe
What's
that's.
wrong with that demon that looks like a child? It steals children for his own amusement and play. But
Okay.
as soon as you grow up, he murders you.
Oh.
I only escaped from mutilation and other wreckage from his monstrous
Okay.
I got big
No. You get Peter Pan, not us.
You're no lost boys, any of you. What sort of deal did you make with that wretched Peter Pan?
Nothing.
Darkness, I assure you.
Yeah, we had to help him find his shadow, and we did.
Oh God. Okay.
Barry, I call the
Yeah. La 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 la.
We're just gonna
gonna
keep
see our
going.
way
Yeah,
out of
we're just
here.
gonna mosey on this
La,
way.
la, la, la. Ooh, we're going to France.
All right.
It's
all right.
evolved in
France.
beast.
I hear a wolf somewhere.
Is it open?
Little pig, let me come in.
Oh. Granny, I don't know about this.
Hello, Granny.
Did you see that? Oh my
Well, we
God.
made it out of there. That's good.
Yeah. Oh, it smells weird. Uh-oh, are we going down the is this the rabbit hole?
That might be a rabbit hole, truthfully.
Uh-oh.
What is this?
It's a doll.
Okay, I love what you've done with the place.
Where?
Okay. Interesting.
Oh! Ew, that's gross.
Oh, sick. Oh.
What is that? The heck is that? Ew. Oh my. I think it's mad.
That's cool.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh,
Smoking.
that's cool. That is beautiful.
Scary things don't happen over there.
No! No! They're putting it all over me. Oh.
Alright.
No.
No.
What is that creature?
You got
Where are you going? No.
Whoa!
What is that? It's a cat!
It's a cat.
It's
The mad
that's our cat!
Whoa.
You hissing at us! Oh my goodness!
Oh my.
Oh, shit.
Welcome to my Wonderland! How are you doing today?
Good.
Did you bring my sweet Alice with ya? Where is Alice? Oh, I've got a gift for ya. Take it, will ya? Yes, it's all yours, Nora. Yes! Ah, there you go, sweetheart. Now that's what we do here for our guest in Wonderland. I just try to be a good host. Do you like to be a good host?
Yes.
Well, then you gotta be
Well,
a
of
good
course.
yes. Bring me my Alice. Bring her to me, or I'll be mad.
Alice!
Oh, I'll be mad.
Or else
You're already mad!
I need Alice. I need her with me. Please.
We'll try to
Will you do that for me? Yes, you'll be such
I
a
will,
sweetheart.
yeah.
After such a gift, how would you not?
What? Yeah, a gift. You call it a gift. Oh,
All
God.
right,
Okay.
I'll be sure to be off your head.
Okay.
All of your heads.
All of
Whoa,
our heads.
whoa,
Oh my
whoa.
gosh. Yes.
Yes, you would.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, this one has candy. Hi.
Yes, we love candy.
Yeah, we love candy. You want? I can bury a body. Yeah, I can help you.
You're so sweet.
Oh, thank you. Where is it at?
It's over. Just in here, thank you.
Okay, okay. Just calm down. But can we talk about the
Something
candy?
don't look right.
But there's candy, so it can't be that bad.
And cookies.
And cookies, hey.
You have to get him out of the oven for me, okay?
In the oven?
Get him out of the oven.
Oh, God.
Thank you. I don't want to see him like that. I don't want to see my brother like that.
Right.
Where is he?
Whoa!
Holy moly.
Get out of the oven!
Oh, in the oven. Oh, she's gonna fry us. She's baking
Oh, God.
us.
Oh, she's cooking
Oh
us.
my God. Oh, this is quite an oven. Oh, what has happened?
Oh, God.
What is going on?
You
Yeah.
got cooked. We're gonna get through here. Oh, okay. Okay, hi.
What's that? Oh,
Hello.
It's not suspicious at all.
No.
I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Whoa! What was that?
This?
Oh, the thing came alive?
Come out of the mirror.
Ooh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Oh.
Oh, no. Okay, I can do this. All right. YouTube, look away.
Oh my God! Oh!
Okay.
Woo!
Woo. All right.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, that
I
was
have
rough.
been reborn. Okay. Oh,
Oh, it's oh.
What the? What the?
What is that? Ew! That's oh.
Past that.
I know.
We're gonna make it past.
Okay, just don't
We're
bite.
gonna make it past. There's like a step up thing right there.
Step. I don't like it. I don't either.
God.
Woo! Oh my God. Uh-oh. Oh crap.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, God.
Oh, what's that? Woo! I see a big building.
This way or that way?
I don't know. I'm
gonna
gonna
guess
go
this way?
towards the light. Yep, if we would have went that way, we'd have figured out that was not the right way.
That's right. Just a little bit of bamboo. Oh, shit. Hi.
Still growling.
Hi, I'm just gonna keep going through your little forest here. It's so nice.
Oh.
Love what you've done with the place.
Okay.
I think I am, truthfully.
She's welcoming.
8.
This is so nice. Okay.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
This is so beautiful. Wow.
Guys, value your brains.
No,
Pretty much.
I don't have any brains.
there's nothing up there for me.
Well, good luck.
Okay.
Oh,
They are.
Oh, no. I should be totally safe. Oh, God.
we go this way?
Maybe that way? I
Oh,
hear
God,
rocks and
ew.
zombies. What is
Ew.
that? Oh,
Oh, man.
they're coming to life.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you guys.
I know.
Uh-oh.
I died
A long time ago.
a very long time ago. Oh.
I always thought there was.
Wow, she now disappeared.
Whoa! Hi.
Oh.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, man.
There's just one candle in here. I don't think it's safe.
I'm just gonna shimmy around.
They're all very mad.
Whoa! Jesus!
Holy my.
Oh, God.
That's
Nope. That's a big
scary.
nope.
Nope. I'm just gonna keep on keeping on.
Oh.
Why is it so tall?
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, there's one on the ground. Ground crawler.
Ground call.
Oh,
no.
God. Oh,
Oh,
God.
no.
Okay, we're going
Okay.
across the
Where are
drawbridge.
they
okay.
going into the castle?
Okay, I think we should follow it.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, they're walking back.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh.
Wow, look at these dragons. That's cool.
I know, that's beautiful.
Oh, my.
Whoa.
Big on you. Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
they got big old ears.
Whoa! Oh, man.
Oh.
Hey, that thing let us out of there. There's definitely nothing bad in here.
Oh, God.
Ugh.
Oh, my.
Whoa! There's just a little bit of a spider on the wall.
A little bit.
A little bit of a spider. Hi.
I don't like it.
Just a couple more.
What?
But they're friendly,
Are
I
you
think.
serious?
I think they're
What
friendly.
the hell?
Oh, goodness.
Oh, they're spiders, big spiders. Oh God, I think this thing ran into some sort of prison.
Okay. I think it's probably, we probably made it out, truthfully.
Okay.
It looks like.
Yeah, that person probably didn't, but.
That's a big one. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Trevor got eaten by the dragon.
A little bit. This.
Oh. What is
Hi.
Oh, what are you? Scarecrow. Uh-oh.
See, he's gonna take us somewhere. He's gonna free
He's
us.
being nice.
Yeah. Free us.
Thank you.
He's risen from the grave,
Oh no.
We're gonna have to tighten him up.
Yeah.
stalking these woods,
Oh, yeah.
hunting.
You know what? We're gonna put him in a bigger coffin this time.
Okay.
Zoe!
Okay, chopping.
The horseman.
Oh.
He's out there.
I
I
said
swear.
that he was.
He's in the woods. I heard him. I know I heard him. And Ichabod's on.
Ichabod?
Ichabod's
Okay,
on.
okay.
He did.
Okay.
Nobody believes him. But they never.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
They never get
He's right behind you!
Oh, no.
That's a big horseman.
Dang.
No,
Oh, my gosh, she was so nice.
Oh,
He jumped in off her right
Well,
now.
he did. Oh, I'm so sorry.
well, now you got her head. You don't
Rest
need
in
ours.
peace.
R.I.P. that girl.
Rip.
Rip.
All right, guys, well, that was Grimm Trails Haunted Attraction down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let us know what you thought. If you're ready for another haunt video, I've got the next one linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.